Hey guys, welcome back to Semper Fi Mechanic. My name's Thomas. Just sitting here at AutoZone and we just got another call. Headed out to do a 2009 Jeep Patriot. He said that car shut off, a bunch of lights came up and the lightning bolt came up. So he said it's the electronic throttle body. Are you sure? Do you want me to diagnose it? And he didn't want me to diagnose it. So I said, look, if I replace it and it doesn't fix it, that doesn't fall on me, brother, because I didn't diagnose it. I'm just fixing what you said. All right, bro, that's good to go. So we're going right now to go meet him. He's broke down on the side of the road. We're gonna go ahead and replace this electronic throttle body in the 2009 Jeep Patriot. I think we're charging him like $500 total, but the part's almost $300, so pretty much $200 labor. Get your chips ready, get your soda, sit back, watch me bust my ass for pennies. Picking the customer up, looks like he broke down the road somewhere. So here I am on some job site. All right, guys, just arrived on scene. There we go, 2009 Jeep Patriot, doing the throttle body. Let's go ahead and get this knocked out for the gentleman. All right, here we go. This is the 2.4 liter 4x4, the throttle body. Actually, all of this intake goes all the way down and connects into it. So first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and take this battery out. Looks like it's 10 millimeter. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and take the negative off first, 10 millimeter. Bust it loose. Slide it off here. Go ahead and jump over to the positive one. It's 10 millimeter as well. So what we're gonna do is taking this throttle body off, and then we're gonna take it with us to go get the port, because the connector pin, there's a 1 pin and a 2 pin. So we gotta make sure we get the right one. Also down here, 10 millimeter bolt right here holding the battery in. That looks like it's a 13. So make sure you take that out before you can remove the battery. It's just the bracket that's holding the battery in. So go ahead and bust that loose. Once you have that off, then you'll be able to go ahead and pick up the battery. Set it to the side. Let's go ahead and remove this stuff, put it to the side here. Pop the engine cover off. At the end of the hose, you see that silver part? That's the side of the throttle body. All right, grab you an 8 millimeter or a flathead screwdriver. We're gonna go ahead and loosen this up right here, because we're gonna take that hose off. There you go, so loosen that up. Also, there's a clip right here. That's a safety clip. So you're gonna push on it and push it out, just like that. Pinch down on it and pull out. Now we can remove this part of it right there, see? Might be a better view if you grab from the top here and pull down. You can see the clamp right there. That's when we're loosening up. All right, once you get that loosened up, then you can go ahead and pull that hose off and it'll come up. You go ahead and pull it out. There might be a clamp right here. All you gotta do is pull it out. So that's what we was getting after. Clearly, you can see the throttle body now right there. 4 bolts. Got 1 there, 1 there, and 2 at the bottom, same place. Also, that connector right there needs to be unplugged. Right there, see that bracket? So you got the 12 millimeter bolt right here. I have to take that bracket off as well. It's right there, that silver one. I was wrong, we're 10 millimeter. I don't know what I was thinking. So we got an extension on here and the 10 millimeter. So go ahead and bust this loose. Go ahead and take it all the way out now. Let's see. 10 millimeter. Now we're gonna go ahead and move over to the next one. Doing this, go ahead and take that one all the way out. There we go. Right above that clip, right above that sensor and to the right. We'll undo the sensor once we remove the throttle body. So let's go ahead and knock these 2 out. Let's go ahead and loosen it all the way out. Very easy. There's not a lot of room down here, but I weigh 280 pounds. If I'm doing it, then anyone can do it. Because your boy, look at that. Your boy got some meat on his bones. Fat hands. If I'm getting my fucking big ass hand down there, you can too. All right, so we're gonna reach down in here now. Take this one out. I'll be able to reach it. Here we go. Yeah. Then we'll worry about the bracket. Oh my lord. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Bracket's still in the way somehow. Pull this out much as we can. Out here. We got the sensor still connected to the bottom of it. That's why we was gonna do that last. All right, finally got this stupid ass clip out, right? All it is on each side, you push down, see? Grab it like this. There we go, got the throttle body. We're gonna take this with us, we'll get a new one. Gotta make sure the clip's right. See that clip? There's 2 rows, there's 6 pins. Some throttle bodies come with only 1 row. We got 2. All right, guys, we're right here at AutoZone. Hopefully they got it. Instead of the computer, they got it, but we both know that don't mean shit. All right, we just got out of there. They did have one. The main thing is, when we checked it, it had the same 2-row pins that we had before. So it was 260, so we're making 360, 460, so $240 profit. You probably about 2 hours from start to finish. Time I drove there, took it off, drove here, bought this, drive back, put it on. So yeah, right at about $100 an hour. We're back on the scene. Get this bad boy thrown in. First thing we're gonna do with this is go ahead and connect her on. It'll just slide right on until it snaps, just like that. Very simple. Now we're gonna work this down. So it goes on like this, right? The sensor's at the bottom. So what we're gonna do is move these screws in just like that. So at least get that one screw hand tightened so it's staying in place, if that makes sense. So you've got it hand tightened. All right, so let's go ahead and grab you another bolt. Just gonna hand tighten them, just getting them lined up. When you're putting this on, this throttle body, there's a little black nipple sticking out. It's made for you to slide it on there so it'll stay on before you put any bolts on. See, we don't have any bolts on keeping it up. It's on that little nipple in the back. It's just to hold it in place. There's one down here. Let's see. Put it right there. Go ahead and finger tighten it up a little bit. Go to this last one here. It's under this side here. There you go, see? We're gonna snug these bitches down. I'll start with this bottom one here I just put on. Then I'll show you this one, be a little bit easier for you guys to see. Just gonna snug it up. It's a perfect shot right here. So all we're doing is using an extension with a 10 millimeter. Snug them up, and then we'll move on. So we got the throttle body in now. I'm gonna go ahead and put this hose back on. All right, so let's see here. It goes down in front of this hose. Go ahead and work its way down it, just like so. You just gotta work it on there, and then go ahead and tighten it up. Come back up top here, and go ahead and slide it on here. Just like that. All right, once you got the hoses on and you tighten them down, take the sensor, push it till it clips, and I see this little red clip. It's a safety clip, so you got to push it down. There you go. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab the battery, set the battery back down, the cable's back on, and that is it. And we'll be done. We'll start it up and see if it needs to do a relearn. If it does, we'll do a little programming and then be done. We're gonna go ahead and positive cable on first, tighten it down at the 10 millimeter. Get it nice and stuck. Grab your negative cable, put that on last. All right, there you go, snug that down. Now remember, this has that battery piece. That is a 13 millimeter in place, so go ahead and snug that down till it's nice and tight. All right, let's go ahead and grab these last few pieces here. And we'll start this bitch and get out of here, man. OSHA, of all things, the safety guy. So he's just walking around yelling at everybody. The safety guy's vehicle broke down. Tell me that ain't funny. He had this off when I got here, so I didn't see it. Move for battery access. You line it back up. And it's got this little clamp here. All right, so you line it up, put it in there, turn it. That's how you lock one. Drop it in there, turn it. It's pretty nifty, huh? All right, guys, well, we just wrapped up. I had to jump start his battery low as well. It charged up, but I told him if financially, if he can do it, go ahead and replace his battery as well. That little charging light that he had on there, you know, the lightning bolt pops up for your throttle body, so that went away. So this is a job well done, my friends. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys want to support the channel, support me personally, I'll have my cash app up here. If you fuckers hit the lottery, you gotta make sure you give me some money, so I'm not out here working my ass off at 6 o'clock at night, working all day. Your boy loves you, and like we always say, Semper Fi till next time.